Hello everyone and welcome back to the dimension. Friends, today we are going to explore how we can easily implement the filter option in our Tekla model. So let's start. As you can see, we are having one small structure, and today we are going to apply the filter in this model. So you can see here we having some different category of all the member, like we having some column, some beam, some horizontal bracing, and some of vertical brace. So sometimes what happened in during the modeling of the structure, we need to edit all the beam at the same time or different member as per our requirement. So in that condition, the filter option is very helpful for us. So in order to apply this filter, first we need to double click in the blank space. Then you can see there is a one window, and click here the object group. Then you will see another object group view filter. First of all, suppose I remove all this row in this interface, and now again I'm adding one row. As you can see, under the category I am selecting the assembly, and property I am taking the name and condition which is equal, and in the value column I am selecting the column section. Once you click on the modify, you will see only column are displayed here and all other member are hide. So if you want to add some information like assembly prefix or part number, you can easily add here, and that will be modified for all the column. In the same way, if you want to remove this window, then again double click and uncheck this row, then click on the modify. So if you want to filter all the entire beam in this model, then again in the value section select by multi-section and then select the beam. Then you will see only the beam will be displayed here. Select all the beam, then click on this arrow. Then you can see here some of our beam are created by beam, and some 2 or 4 model are created by column property. If you want to add some information like a part or assembly prefix, then you can add here. Then again, suppose I'm uncheck this model and wanted to show all the model, then uncheck this row, then click on the modify. Again, suppose I wanted to see only the vertical or horizontal bracing of this model, then again in the value section click on the vertical brace, then apply OK. Then you can see all the bracing vertical brace are shown here. So everything is okay here. Now again uncheck this row, then click on the modify. Suppose I wanted to see only the truss member of this model, then select in the assembly all the truss member. Then easily you can select all the truss member here, and if you want to add some information like assembly prefix, suppose I am putting here the TR. Then you can easily add some prefix or information in the entire truss member. Friends, this is a very helpful for us, and it's a very similar to the layer in the AutoCAD. Now if we talk about the filter property of part, then you can also add here. Suppose I am taking the category in as a part, and property I am taking the class, and I wanted to see only the yellow member in this model. Then you can see all the beam which having class 6 are shown here. In the similar way, we can also filter all the model by material or some profile or prefix. They are having number of variables are available in this interface. you can apply according to your requirement. So friends, this is the basics of filter property in the Tekla structure. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share with your friends. If you come first time in our channel, then please subscribe our channel and promote